A car battery is very important because it gives power to start the engine and run lights, radio, and other electrical parts. Sometimes, a battery loses power quickly and stops working, which can be frustrating. There are simple reasons why a car battery dies too fast. A car battery becomes weak as it gets old and is unable to store enough power. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years, and after this period their performance slowly decreases. An old battery may cause slow engine starting or complete failure to start. Replacing an old battery on time helps prevent breakdowns and keeps the car running smoothly and reliably. Leaving headlights or other car lights on is a common reason why a battery dies too fast. Even when the engine is off, lights continue to use battery power. If lights stay on for a long time, especially overnight, the battery can fully drain. Interior, trunk, or dashboard lights can also cause this problem. Always check and turn off all lights before leaving the car to protect the battery. Driving only short trips can make a car battery die faster than normal. Each time the engine starts, it uses a lot of battery power. Short drives do not allow the alternator enough time to recharge the battery completely. Over time, this constant power loss weakens the battery and can cause starting problems. A bad alternator is a common reason why a car battery dies too fast. The alternator charges the battery and supplies power while the engine is running. If it is not working properly, the battery cannot recharge. This causes the battery to lose power quickly, leading to dim lights, warning signs, or difficulty starting the car. Extreme weather can greatly affect car battery performance. Very hot temperatures can damage the battery by evaporating its internal fluid. Cold weather slows down the chemical reaction inside the battery. Both conditions reduce the battery's ability to hold charge. As a result, the battery may die faster and cause starting problems. Frequent engine starts can drain a car battery quickly. Each time the engine starts, it uses a large amount of power from the battery. If the car is started repeatedly without long driving, the battery does not get enough time to recharge. Over time, this can weaken the battery and cause problems with starting the car. A battery that is not properly secured can cause problems in a car. When it moves or shakes while driving, the internal parts can get damaged. This vibration can reduce the battery's life and efficiency. Over time, an unsecured battery may fail, making it harder for the car to start or operate properly. By knowing these reasons, you can understand why a car battery dies too fast.